easy, man.
Hey, I'm Veronica Taylor, and I just want to say from myself and Ash Ketchum, this video is sponsored by The Awesome Couple. Please visit them at PokemonAwesome.com. Gotta catch 'em all.
Alright nerds, it's time for part 3 of this amazing. Okay, so it started off really bad. No pulls. Not 1 out of 6 packs. And then 6 packs, 6 pulls, including a full art, and of course the break you see right there. So Steam Siege is being all over the place, kind of like it has always been. So I'm pretty excited to be continuing to pull this. Hopefully with this box I will finally complete I had an itch and then I hit that again. Finally complete my set of Steam Siege, and that's kind of a goal. It was the first new set when I started collecting, and it's been a goal of mine to finally complete it. So either way, we got 6 more packs to open right here. I'm hoping we get a secret rare. You're not guaranteed a secret rare in a booster box, but you know, if we're lucky. So anyways, let's separate these out. That's Yveltal break, or not Yveltal, that's Xerneas. I still need the Xerneas break, by the way. Hopefully we'll get that here. And we got 2 of these. So you know what, we're gonna do him last. We're gonna do Xerneas break last. Hopefully he'll bring us the luck. We'll do Volcanion first this time. So I do need that Volcanion EX secret rare. I need the Gardevoir EX secret rare. There's still quite a few ultra rares in this set, and I definitely need both of the secret rares. I kind of liked this back in the day, and we got a white code card, so we have a chance. We have a chance of getting the card that I need. So either ways, nerds, there you go. Let me make sure you got that code. Take that code card, maybe you'll get a Volcanion EX secret rare. Who knows? You never know what you get. The gifts from Cass. So either way, we're gonna start off with a Ninja Boy, and I can't believe I did that. Monferno, Zweilous, Croagunk, Oshawott. I love the art on that, by the way. Marill, Ponyta. Man, I love that art too. Litwick. Our versus Pokemon Ranger, and our rare is a Ampharos holographic, which I think this might have been the first holographic I pulled from this set. I remember I got this, and I also got that Yveltal. I think that was I had some good pulls in my first thing of Steam Siege, so it kind of, kind of gave me unrealistic expectations from this set. So either way, let's break this open. Let's see what we can get from our second pack. Will we have a great opening like last one? I kind of want it to be a little more sparse, because if you use them all up at once, because you're only guaranteed a certain amount of pulls, then you're not gonna have any pulls for the rest of them. So having one really cool opening like that's great, but you definitely want them to be a little bit mixed, so you get different. You get good pulls throughout the videos. So either way, now we're on to our Klefki. And we got a Greedy Dice, Skiploom, Nidoran Male, Nosepass, Hoppip, Meowth, Clauncher, Reverse Rufflet, and our rare is a Galvantula, regular rare, which I think, was this one of the ones that had a deck? I don't know. No, it had one was Volcanion, and there was another one. I know what set was. I think it was Phantom Forces that had the Galvantula deck. So let me get these over here, so we have those all set aside. Oh, that beautiful bulk. All right, so, and let's see if we can get, I'd be happy if I can get one EX or another break. I'd be okay with that. So there we go. Let's see, we're only 3 packs in, so 1, 2, and 3 to the front. We still could use another break. Let's see what we get. I mean, I'll be happy with just average pulls for this one. I would be very, very happy, especially after the amazing pulls I got in the last episode. So, let's see. Litwick, Dino, Ponyta, Marill. Ooh, and a Hydreigon break. So, there we go. Another amazing pull. Not the one that I need, though. So, but yeah, that's very cool. And our rare is a Volcarona regular rare. So we got 3 more packs, though. Hopefully we will get what we need here soon. I don't know. Let's see what we can get. Let's see if we can get something decent out of here. Oh my god. I swear to god, some of these packs, especially Steam Siege. Steam Siege was notorious for having these really hard packs. Oh, look at that. There is a white code card. So we're going to get at least one more decent pull out of this particular opening, and I apologize in advance if I do seem a little tired. I'm not really sure why. I'm not tired, so I'm not sure why. I just don't got the energy in my voice that you guys want so badly. You know, I want to be the next, freaking big YouTuber, right? So, let's see, Mankey, Mantine, lots of M's there, Sneasel, Litleo, and our rare is a Volcanion EX. Yes! Alright, it's not the secret rare version, but that is a really awesome pull. That was still, I know, I'm not sure how playable it is now, but it was a very, very playable card. And I think it still goes for about $7, something like that, maybe $6. It's not bad. Very playable, very cool card. I think it would have been worth more had there not been the promo version of it, which, whenever they come out with a promo version of a playable card, that always drives down the value. But I have the promo version. I do not have that version. I'm very excited to have it. So at this point, we already have above average pulls, so I don't need anything else out of here, actually. And okay, that is a green code card, so, yeah, ye ask and ye shall receive. And there you go. There is the code card. And 1, 2, and 3. And anyways, so I'm thinking I might be doing a giveaway again soon in a couple weeks. Just let me get some money together, and it's gonna be a pretty decent sized one. Hopefully it's hopefully it's for something you guys like. I know what it is, but you gotta wait to hear about it. It's gonna be a couple weeks. We got the Weavile, and of course we got a Bastiodon regular rare. Is that? Oh yeah, that is a reverse rare. Nice. It's entirely possible I've skipped some reverse rares and I just wasn't paying attention because Cass doesn't know what she's doing sometimes. She doesn't. Alright, and awesome. Alright, last pack, and we got a green code card. Maybe we'll get a break, maybe we won't. Either way, we've done exceptionally well, and we got 18 more packs for next week, so I can't wait to open those. Oh, it's so tempting to open them now. No, I gotta manage. I gotta be like Bastion in the Never-Ending Story and be like, look, gotta preserve my sandwich because you never know how long it could be locked in that cold, dreary attic while vividly hallucinating while looking into a book. So it is what it is. Rufflet, Chimchar. Maybe we'll get a break. Will we get a break? Let's find out. Tangela, and no, just a Croagunk and our rare. Did I screw up the pack trick? I bet I screwed up the pack trick. Alright. I screwed up the pack trick. I must have done the, what? Yeah, I there's the dread again. That's my rare. I must have done the, I bet I did the, Sun and Moon pack trick. I'm pretty good at switching between the two different sets, but obviously that time it didn't happen. So either way, let's see what we got here. We got some a pretty good representation of what you can get in these old XY sets. In the XY break specifically, we got the reverse rare, the holographic, the break, and of course Volcanion EX, which will definitely be my pull of the day here. Anyways, what was your favorite pull? Did you like the Volcanion EX? Maybe you like the Hydreigon. Who knows? Could be anything, and I am not functioning right now. So either way, nerds, if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section down below. What was your favorite pull? Who's your favorite person who opens Pokemon cards? You better say Cass, because if you don't say Cass, I'm gonna hunt you down, and I'm gonna be like, hey, that wasn't cool. Either way, nerds, be sure to check me out on social media at Cass the Nerd on Facebook and Jedi_Cass on Twitter. Definitely more on Twitter. That's where I spend most of my time. Oh yeah, and be sure to check out my other channel, Trans and Heathen. I don't plug that enough. Check it out. Hopefully I'll have a new video up here sometime soon. And yeah, it's going to be a good time for all of us involved. Anyways, nerds, later.